Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and it's your girl Laine. And for today's video, this is a video of what's inside my cabin crew bag If you're new to my channel, this is your girl Laine, and if you want to know more about beauty, travel, food, and random stuff, this is the right channel for you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so today I'll show you what's inside my cabin crew bag during field reserve. So, if field reserve kami, yung bag namin is supposed to be the big trolley. So, yung malaking bag namin, di ba meron akong what's inside my cabin crew bag, yung small bag namin. So, yun yung isa. And, yung for field reserve, yung isang malaking trolley. So, alright. So, this is what's inside my cabin crew bag. Ayan. So, first open na natin. Medyo magulo guys kasi hindi ako naglinis ng bag. So, alright. So, this is what's inside my cabin crew bag during a field reserve. So, unang-una, kailangan nandito yung competency cards mo, batteries, passport, and flashlight. So, ito yung talagang dapat nasa loob ng bag namin kasi hindi pwedeng lumipad kapag wala niyan. Alright? So, next is my cabin shoes. So, ito yung cabin shoes ko. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa ganitong bag kasi wala akong extra bag. Yan. So, we use the big trolley just in case we are upgraded on a destination na merong winter, na malamig. So, kailangan malaki yung bag para makapagbaon ka ng mga winter clothes. So, alright, let's see. So, eto, run clothes. So, andito na yung extra uniform ko. Ayan, nandito siya sa loob. Maliit na toiletries. And then, may baon akong blanket. Blanket. Bakit? Because, pag field reserve, malamig kasi dun sa office. So, yan, nagbablanket ako minsan pag gusto ko magpahinga dun. So, yan, may blanket ako. And then, syempre, may baon tayo. Bawal magutom. May makeup kit. So, ayan, makeup ko. Pang ano na to. Ito yung ginagamit ko everyday. So, pag ginamit ko siya, lalagay ko siya agad sa bag. And then, ito. Ano to? Yung mga apron ko. Yung ginagamit namin during in-flight. So, ayan. Apron. Mask. Mga coffee ko. Ganyan, tea. Mask. So, yan. Kailangan yan. Oh my gosh. Kailangan yan ngayon. Chocolate. Hindi ko pa naubos. Ito. Kapag field reserve ako, binabaon ko tong mug ko na to. Kasi, wala kaming cups doon. So, if I wanna make my coffee or tea, habang nag-aantay for upgrade, may pang cup ako. And then, this one, it's my water bottle. So, ayan, yellow, cute. Part nyo sa uniform. Diba? Yan. Para kung gusto ka na malamig na drink, malamig pa rin siya. This one, a bubble jacket. Just in case na ma-run kami sa mga colder destinations. Or like, ma-upgrade ako doon. Mayroon akong jacket. Shoes. So, may rubber shoes ako pang layover. Ayan. Ayan yung shoes ko. Kasi hindi ko na siya tinatanggal dito sa big bag eh. Basta may shoes ako. Tapos, another set of toiletries. Ito talaga yung kompletong set na ng toiletries ko. So, ayan. everything in there. So next, what's inside the other side of the bag? So ayan, meron tayong masks. A lot of masks. Ayan. Kasi sa flight ginagamit. Wet wipes. This one, nilagay ko lang siya dito. Tinransfer ko lang. This is a spray net. So, ayan, tinransfer ko lang. So, just in case na kailangan ko, meron akong extra. This one, hindi ko alam ba't meron ako nito dito. Alerta. Medicine. Ayan, just in case. May power bank. So, ayan. This one, pag nasa winter, ganyan, pang hot hands. So, ayan, warmers, hand warmers. Ano ba to? Ito, sa ice to, hindi ko alam ba't nandito to. Most probably, nakalimutan ko lang to. Tanggalin. This one, lotion, kuko sa hotel. So, if wala akong lotion, ito yung gamit kong lotion. And then, next is, may alcohol. Kailangan ng alcohol, guys. So, yep. That's it. Ito, shopping bag. Para hindi na kailangan ng mga plastic. Pag nag-grocery ka, something, pag sa layover, ganyan. So, lagi ako may ganyan sa big trolley ko. So, yeah, that's pretty much what's inside my big trolleys during my field reserve. So, ito yung mga trolley na dinadala namin kapag field reserve ka, and ito yung laman. So, kaya talaga siya malaki kasi just in case na ma-upgrade ka nga sa mga may winter destinations or malalamig na destinations. So, kailangan meron kang winter clothes and extra run clothes. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This has been your girl, Vanity Laine. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.